Next, number 5. Equation of a line in intercept form. Equation of a line in intercept form. लास्ट जो टाइप था उसमें था equation of a line in slope intercept form. Now here I am going to discuss equation of a line in intercept form. Look at here. Here also slope is not there. In this statement slope word is not used. That means slope का कोई काम नहीं है अभी यहाँ पे. चलो ठीक है, slope का कोई काम नहीं है तो equation क्या होगा वो पहले देखना है अभी. So in intercept form means let us consider a non-vertical line. Let us consider a non-vertical line AB. Let us consider a non-vertical line AB cuts x and y axis. Cuts x and y axis at some distance A and B from the origin respectively. Let us consider a non-vertical line AB cuts x axis at some distance A from the origin. So let the coordinates of AB A comma 0, small letter A comma 0. Similarly, the line AB cuts y axis at some distance B from the origin. So let the coordinates of capital letter B be 0 comma B. Okay. तो ये हो गया A और B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स. देखने से पता चलता है कि A और B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होगा, बिकॉज यही डिस्टेंस में कट किया. यस. नाउ this is a non-vertical line. The coordinates of A and B we know. Now what we can do now to find the equation of that line in intercept form. Here what we can do. Clearly here from the diagram we can say that the line is passing through only 2 points. Yes or not? The line is passing through the 2 points A and B. So since the line is passing through the 2 points, can we use the definition of a line, equation of a line in 2-point form? Equation of a line in 2-point form का formula क्या था? y minus y1 by x minus x1. This is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Yes, can we use this result to find the equation of this line? Because here also the line is passing through 2 points. So since the line is passing through 2 points, so by the definition of 2-point form, we can write y minus y1. So that is y minus, what is the value of y1? y1 is 0 divided by x minus x1. x1 is A. This is equal to y2 minus y1, b minus 0 by x2 minus x1, 0 minus A. b minus 0, 0 minus A. Okay. So y minus 0, that is y by x minus A, which is equal to b by minus A. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होगा? माइनस ए वाई इज इक्वल टू बी एक्स माइनस ए बी, और इट कैन बी रिटन एज ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी एक्स प्लस ए वाई. राइट. नाउ इफ आई डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय ए बी, then see what will happen. 1 is equal to x by a plus y by b. Yes. So this is the equation of a line in intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is called x intercept and b is called y intercept. x a is called x intercept. इसका मतलब है कि a जो है वो x एक्सिस को कट किया ना. B is called y intercept, which means B cuts y axis, na? That's why. Okay. So what is the equation of a line in intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is standard equation. Derivation is important. मैं बार बार ये चीज रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, जानना जरूरी है derivations, right? Where a is called x intercept and b is called y intercept, right? So this is another type, equation of a line in intercept form. After this, only one type is there. So that one now I am going to discuss. That is equation of a line in normal form. Equation of a line in normal form. नॉर्मल भी बोल सकते हैं या फिर परपेंडिकुलर भी बोल सकते हैं. तो परपेंडिकुलर वर्ड ज्यादा सुइटेबल नहीं होता है ये जगह में, इसीलिए नॉर्मल बोला गया. ठीक है. सो नॉर्मल और परपेंडिकुलर में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. नॉर्मल के जगह में अगर परपेंडिकुलर भी लिखेंगे तो कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, सेम मीनिंग ओनली. लेकिन ये स्टेटमेंट में सुइटेबल नहीं होता है परपेंडिकुलर वर्ड, इसीलिए नॉर्मल बताया गया, ठीक है। सो हियर आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव द डिराइवेशन, जैसे कि सब टाइप्स का इक्वेशन का मैं डिराइवेशन दिया, सो हियर आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव द डिराइवेशन, just I'll give the diagram and the equation, okay, and that is only required for this one derivation is not required, सिर्फ डायग्राम में दे दूंगा और उसके साथ लाइन का इक्वेशन क्या होगा इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म, दैट वन आई विल गिव, ओके। सो डायग्राम क्या है देखो, दिस इज अ नॉन वर्टिकल लाइन L, this is a non-vertical line L. Let us draw a perpendicular from origin. Let us draw a perpendicular from origin to the non-vertical line. Let alpha be the angle. Let alpha be the angle between the perpendicular, or you can say normal. This is called normal. Okay, this line is called normal. Say this one is A. This OA is normal. L के ऊपर perpendicular है, ठीक है। So this alpha is the angle between the normal and positive direction of x axis. तो इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या है, दिस इज अ डायग्राम, अभी मैं स्टेटमेंट बताऊंगा। स्टेटमेंट क्या है, let p be the length of the perpendicular, p be the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the non-vertical line L. Let us consider p be the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the non-vertical line L. Let us consider alpha be the angle. Let alpha be the angle between the perpendicular and the positive direction of x-axis. Let alpha be the angle between the perpendicular and the positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, the equation of this line, equation of the line L, equation of the line L is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the equation of a line in normal form. सिर्फ equation को याद रखने से हो जाएगा, okay? What is this p? P is the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the non-vertical line L, ठीक है। तो P का वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दिया रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि P तो राइट हैंड साइड में है, तो अगर राइट हैंड साइड ही अननोन होगा तो वो तो इक्वेशन नहीं होगा, राइट। तो क्वेश्चन में P का वैल्यू हमेशा दिया रहेगा। अपार्ट फ्रॉम P, एंगल मस्ट बी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज अल्फा का वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दिया रहना चाहिए। अगर अल्फा और P नोन होगा तो वी कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म। व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. If you know alpha and P, अगर यहाँ पे अल्फा और P का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो आराम से इक्वेशन निकल जाएगा, ठीक है। आराम से इसका इक्वेशन हम लोग निकल सकते हैं। Now I'm going to give some examples related to this normal form and intercept form, क्योंकि normal और intercept form का इक्वेशन का एग्जांपल्स नहीं दिया। I'm going to give now the examples, right? So after discussion of the various types of equation of a line, now I'm going to give two examples related to those formula. The last formula I have given that the equation of a line in normal form. तो उसका जो example है वो है ये, find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. Okay, find the equation of a line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. And the angle between the positive direction of x-axis and perpendicular is 30 degree. What will be the diagram? Diagram कैसा होगा इसका? Find the equation of a line whose perpendicular from the origin is 5 units. So this is a non-vertical line. Origin से जो perpendicular draw किया गया है, इसका length दिया गया है 5 units. Angle between the perpendicular and positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. ये दिया गया है. You are asked to find the equation of this non-vertical line. Okay? So कौन सा फॉर्मूला कब यूज करना है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है ना जानना. So since here the length of the perpendicular is given, तो लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर जनरली वो लास्ट फॉर्मूला में ही यूज हुआ था. इसके पहले जितना डिराइवेशन थे उसमें एक में भी यूज नहीं हुआ लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर बोल के वर्ड. सो लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर इज गिवन हियर 5 यूनिट्स. Along with that the angle is also given. So here we can use the equation of a line in normal form. To find the equation of this line, we know x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, this is equal to p, that is x cos of 30 degree, here alpha is 30, plus y sin of 30 degree, which is equal to p is 5. The value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, that is root 3x by 2 plus y by 2, which is equal to 5, or it can be written as root 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line in normal form. Normal form हो या फिर कोई भी form हो, equation of a line है तो that equation must be linear form only. ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the line whose perpendicular is given from the origin is 5 units. ठीक है, so जब perpendicular distance दिया रहेगा, apart from that the angle will be given in the question, angle between the positive direction of x-axis and perpendicular, then always you have to use this formula, that is called equation of a line in normal form. ठीक है, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन से ही कुछ ना कुछ तो हिंट मिलेगा ही ना, और इस पे इसके साथ डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करने से और भी आइडिया मिल जाता है. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line which makes intercepts 2 and minus 3 on the x and y axis. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा यहाँ पे? You are asked to find the equation of a line which makes intercepts 2 and minus 3 on x and y axis. 2 and minus 3 on the x and y axis. So since here both the intercepts are given, both the intercepts मतलब x intercept as well as y intercept. So what is the equation of a line in intercept form? Since here both intercepts are given x and y, so what is the equation of a line in intercept form? We know the equation of a line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of a line in intercept form. According to question, here x intercept is 2, which means a equal to 2, y intercept is minus 3, that is b equal to minus 3. Just you need to put the values, that is x by 2 minus y by 3, this is equal to 1. If I take LCM, this will be 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Yes, so this is the equation of a line in intercept form. मैं बोला था ना, whether it is intercept form or slope intercept form or normal form, whatever it may be, the equation will always in terms of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 only. Means linear equation होना चाहिए, and this is the linear equation only. Yes, so today I have discussed a few examples only related to various forms of equations of a line. Next I will discuss little bit standard questions related to these various forms of equation of a line only. Okay, so इसके बाद मैं डिस्कस करूंगा